Jason Stovra. I work at Spring Meadows Natural Pet Food. I've worked here for almost 12 years. Two local guys. They formed the company back in 2004, and then around 2009, I believe, they decided to put full effort into making Canada's #1 pet food. Dane Creek Capital is a venture capital out of Toronto. They did buy a couple other pet food companies, and we were one of them that they purchased. I think we were their fourth that they purchased, and they wanted a high-level, high-quality brand. We decided to bring in a high-quality packaging, and there's nothing better than this. We have digitally printed film that turns into a package that even a human would love this package. It's a high-quality product and a high-quality package. Paxium supplied us with a SleekWrapper to do our cat line. The ValTara SleekWrapper is probably one of the best equipments for our line. It's extremely fast, extremely efficient, and it pretty much runs itself. It's highly reliable. We've had no problems with it. We drop a medallion onto the conveyor belt. The conveyor belt comes along and it drops into the inverter. So the packaging is actually at the bottom, and the medallion goes on top of the package, and it goes through the sealer. The sealer seals it, brings it out the other end, cuts it, and goes into the box. Once it enters the SleekWrapper and comes out of the SleekWrapper, it does everything internally. It turns the package, it seals the package, it cuts the package, and it comes out as a finished product. The people at Paxium, not only do they set up the equipment for us, they take the time to make sure that it's running right. They send the technicians out to the plant, because it might be running right in Montreal or wherever the machine is getting set up, but different scenarios. So they took the time. Technician from Paxium came out, his name was David. He was a great guy. He came out, he set the machine up, he dialed it in. We did 3 or 4 runs. At the end of his 4 or 5 days, I was comfortable enough that I would be able to run the machine. They're great guys. They will never let you down as far as a group of individuals, a tech. You couldn't ask for a better tech company for help if you had to. It's very easy to switch over films. And I even learned a new trick today from David when he was here. I was doing it the long way, and I just happened to ask David, is there an easier way of guiding the film through the way what I was doing? He just said, yeah, you just got to push a button. So he showed me the button to push, and it's extremely easy now. It takes less than 2 minutes to put on a new film. The computer readout on it is extremely easy. It tells you the problem. So when we have a problem, its error code comes up. You can't go on to the next step unless you fix the error code. And it tells you right to the point with all the sensors in the machine. It's a nice icon that pops up. It takes you right to that specific area of the machine. That way it will guide you to what you got to fix. It's extremely easy. It's extremely easy to use, extremely easy to read. Even the manual is easy to read on the SleekWrapper. Paxium texts a call and they'll help me within minutes. Like we did turkey run today, and it was a 45-minute run, and we did not have a problem for the whole run. 1,500 packages. We're going to go take a look at the SleekWrapper in production. So come on in. I'll just walk you through the process. Right now we're doing a chicken duck blend. This is our VMAG portioner. Right now it's doing a 3-ounce patty. So it's individually slicing 3 ounces at a time. It's going on the conveyor belt, and it's going down the line. So this is the inverter part of it. This is where the package is underneath the product. All the product does is just fall onto the package. So as the package falls onto the wrap, it's in the right spot precisely, and it works its way through the system. There is no waste to any of the packaging. The speed we're running at is around 50 packages a minute. So it's extremely fast. You couldn't get any faster than that. Downtime is minimal. Even when we change the film, it's very, very easy to do. It's precisely timed. Everything works in conjunction with each other, and it's ticky-to-boo. You couldn't ask for a better machine. So it goes in raw at the front, and this is how it comes out at the back. This here is the perfect pillow pack. You couldn't ask for a nicer package. One thing I like about the ValTara SleekWrapper made by Paxium is how easy the interface is. It breaks it down into locations. So each location, it tells you exactly what may be wrong. When we do have a problem, the master interface pops up and it tells you exactly where the problem is. So you can dive right into it right away. There's no guessing where the problem may be.
So I'm Luis Pilonieta, sales manager for Paxium, and what we have here is our ValTara inverted SleekWrapper with a box motion sealing head, allowing us to have optimal hermetic seals for your package. For raw pet food is critical and is maintaining the optimal quality of the product inside of the package as it travels from the factory right to the end user. So take a look at the quality of the seals produced by our SleekWrapper. So all perfectly sealed with no wrinkles from the longitudinal sealing. So the way we seal it, it does great justice to the quality of the package.
Yeah, so right now our packaging is starting to match our product. It's a high quality package with a high quality product. We got a new cat line coming out via the Paxium SleekWrapper. Now we're going coast to coast. And as far as I'm concerned, we make the best raw pet food in Canada. The high quality product with the high quality packaging. And now that we got a high quality machine that can marry everything together for us next 3 to 5 years, we're expecting to double or triple our sales. I can see us calling on Paxium in the future to deliver all these pieces of equipment to us to make us really efficient for when we do double or triple our sales. When you're putting matching duck and chicken together, it must be good. Like, it just must be. The only thing that's missing is duck rock sauce.